This video was designed to teach you how to extend the awning on the smoke trailer. Steps to extend the smoke trailer awning are simple. First, you want to find the roller lock tool and use that tool to unlock the awning in the roll down mode. Loosen the arms on both sides of the awning prior to using the awning strap and the roller lock tool to slowly pull the awning into the extended position. You will need 2 people to perform this task. Once the awning is fully extended, push the upper arms forward until they click. Tighten the knob bolts and extend the awning out 10 clicks. Secure the awning into place using knob bolts and secure the awning strap out of the way. To help you better understand these instructions, Sergio Robles and Captain Antonio Lara are going to perform a live demonstration. Step 1. Locate and acquire the roller lock tool.
To bring the lock down on the roller is always stored on this storage right here. Should be in here all the time. You need to pull this down is for the rollers to release.
Once the awning is in roll down mode, loosen arms on both sides. Hook the awning strap located at the center of the awning and pull to extend. Fully extend the awning support arms until they lock and click into place. Extend the support arms upwards and allow them to lock by making sure that they click into place prior to using the knob bolts to tighten and secure the arm itself. Before securing awning support arms, make sure the awning is locked into place. Test this by gently pushing on the lower arm, then locking the arms into place using the knob bolts. Once the awning has been locked into place, extend it out 10 clicks. Draw the awning strap from the center to the left arm, wrap it around, and secure it out of the way. After this step has been completed, you can begin your setup for your display. Place your table under the awning, and now you can begin decorating for your presentation.